While one of the most common reasons for missing your period is pregnancy, there are so many more factors that can make you miss your period. So if you are curious to find out about the reasons why you might have missed your period, you are in the right place. If you want to know about this, don't forget to watch the video till the end. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such uploads. There are so many reasons which can cause you to miss your period, and it is very important to find out about these reasons. This is because you can address these issues only after you have found them out, and most of them can seriously affect your health. So continue watching to find out the 10 reasons why you might have missed your period. Number 1. Stress. You might not know, but stress can also make you miss your period. This is because stress interrupts the creation of the GnRH hormone, which regulates the menstrual cycle and ovulation. So physical and psychological stress can be a cause of your delayed period. However, if this situation persists, it's important to visit your healthcare provider. Number 2. Extreme exercise. Extreme exercise is known to change the pituitary hormones and the thyroid hormones, which negatively impact menstruation and ovulation. However, this occurs only when you engage in hours and hours of demanding exercise. So before planning such sessions, it is wise to consult a sports healthcare provider who can guide you through the process. You must optimize your diet with proper foods to ensure that you provide your body with the right care. Ensure that you have checked for any deficiencies, dehydration, hormonal balances and more. Number 3. Illness. If you have some chronic conditions, then chances are that your period will be affected. Some of these conditions that affect your menstrual cycle are liver dysfunction, ovarian cysts, thyroid disease, polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS, pituitary tumors, cancerous or non-cancerous, diabetes, diseases of the adrenal gland. Number 4. Change in schedule. If you have recently changed your schedule, your body clock might be taking its sweet time to adjust. If you change your shifts from day shifts to night shifts, or if you generally have an erratic schedule, then your period too will suffer. It too will become hard to predict. This change should not make you miss your period, but it can play a role in delaying your period for a bit. Number 5. Medications. If you are on medication that includes chemotherapy, anticonvulsants, thyroid medicines, antipsychotics and antidepressants, then that can be why your period is missing or is delayed. Even if you are on hormonal contraceptives, then you can expect your cycle to be influenced. Various contraceptives can affect your cycle differently. Number 6. Weight changes. If you are obese, underweight, or are experiencing changes in your weight, then your menstrual cycle can be affected. This is because obesity can influence the regulation of progesterone and estrogen, which can also cause issues with fertility. On the other hand, when you are underweight, your body lacks nutrients and fat, which affects hormone production. This can cause amenorrhea. In these cases, regulating your weight properly and not drastically changing it can help you out. Number 7. Recently started periods. If you are a young woman who just began getting periods, then there are chances that your pattern is not regular yet. Generally, it takes some time to get a fixed pattern, after which you can get regular monthly periods. Number 8. Perimenopause and menopause. Perimenopause and menopause are the main stages where you can notice your periods missing. During this time, your periods might be lighter, heavier, less frequent, or even more frequent. It varies from woman to woman. This might be why you are missing your period. Number 9. Breastfeeding. Women experience light, infrequent, or even amenorrhea when they are breastfeeding. This is even more common if the baby depends solely on you for all his calories. So if you are breastfeeding, it can also create issues with your menstrual cycle. However, it doesn't mean that you cannot get pregnant during this time. Number 10. Ectopic pregnancy. If you think that you cannot get pregnant because of an IUD, your missed period can indicate an ectopic pregnancy. This can generally happen due to the shape of your IUD and can also result in a negative pregnancy test. So it is important to get this checked with your healthcare provider through ultrasound. Some of the symptoms of this pregnancy include breast tenderness, nausea, weakness, dizziness, cramps in the lower abdomen, and shoulder pain. While some experienced missed periods, others experienced spotting or vaginal bleeding. However, you should note that ectopic pregnancy can be life-threatening. so it is important that you immediately consult a professional healthcare provider regarding the same. So your missed period can give you way more cues about your body than you think, and it is generally important to ensure that you get all this checked to ensure that you are safe and healthy. While there is a bracket of a few days by which your period can get late, if you think that you are missing it, you might need to get it checked. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such uploads.